We will tell you the 14 sacrifices you need to make to become a millionaire. The last sacrifice is very crucial to make if you really want to become a millionaire. So watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Household. Observing many successful individuals, it's evident that they frequently delay starting a family until they attain a specific level of financial security. Raising a child presents both significant rewards and considerable challenges in terms of health, education, etc., as it quickly becomes your primary focus. Reflecting on the beginning of my wealth-building journey, I recall facing some difficult choices that impacted my family. There were occasions I was unable to participate in, celebrations I couldn't join, and numerous family events where I was not present. While it presented challenges, I recognized that to create something meaningful, I needed to allocate my time and resources more strategically. Sacrificing a family life until you get rich and have enough money is really very important. Number 2. Wellness. This represents a significant challenge, as it can be easily overlooked while pursuing your aspirations. Extended work hours, elevated stress levels, and persistent fatigue can significantly impact your overall well-being. I have experienced my share of restless nights and stress-related discomfort. While it may not be a source of pride, it is a reality that numerous driven individuals encounter. It is essential to establish a balance. While it's important not to neglect your health, recognize that there will be times when it may need to take a secondary role. If you want to know more financial tips and sacrifices you need to make, then subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Friends. It is important to recognize that distancing yourself from individuals who may not share your drive or positivity could be a necessary step for your personal growth and success. It's essential to focus on building a network of individuals who support and elevate your goals, rather than those who may hinder your progress. Some of my acquaintances struggled to grasp my determination and aspirations. They have chosen to remain in a state of mediocrity, and that decision works for them. It was essential for me to prioritize quality over quantity in my friendships. The close friends I currently have are exceptionally supportive and align with my goals and values. Number 4. Worthless interests. While engaging in hobbies can bring relaxation and joy, it's important to recognize that they often require resources, time, money, and energy that might be more effectively allocated towards your financial goals. I once dedicated a significant amount of time to gaming, thoroughly enjoying the experience of immersing myself in video games for hours on end. As I became more focused on my financial objectives, I recognized that those hours could be more effectively allocated towards acquiring new skills or advancing my business endeavors. I have decided to prioritize my essential responsibilities by temporarily reducing my engagement in most of my hobbies. Number 5. Duration. Time stands as one of the most precious assets at your disposal, and the manner in which you allocate it can significantly influence your path to financial success. Typically, one can expect that it requires a sustained commitment of 7 to 10 years to realize substantial financial achievements. It is crucial to prioritize investing time in your personal development and growth. Engaging in activities such as reading books, enrolling in courses, or connecting with individuals who share your interests is essential. Every moment is valuable. Keep in mind that time is a limited resource. Allocate it thoughtfully. Number 6. Contentment. This leads us to the concept of happiness. Indeed, it's important to recognize that short-term sacrifices may be necessary to achieve long-term fulfillment. It's important to recognize that the focus should not be on short-term discomfort, but rather on postponing immediate gratification in favor of greater long-term benefits. There were moments when I experienced significant stress and contemplated whether the sacrifices made were truly justified. However, I understood that prioritizing long-term fulfillment rather than seeking immediate gratification was crucial for achieving my objectives. Number 7. Rest. Rest is a valuable asset that many of us seek to increase in our lives. To enhance your productivity, it may be beneficial to consider adjusting your sleep hours from time to time. It is essential to establish a harmonious balance between rest and productivity for optimal performance. There were numerous occasions when I dedicated late nights to working well into the early hours of the morning. Although this approach may not be viable in the long run, there will be times when prioritizing work over rest is essential to navigate pivotal stages of your path. Thus, you should be mentally prepared to sacrifice your sleep if you get to do a lot of work. Number 8. Your character. The next investment is in your identity, or more specifically, in the person you need to evolve into. To reach your goals, it is essential to assess and tackle any areas where you may be lacking, ultimately transforming yourself into the individual necessary for success. A significant hurdle I faced was a lack of discipline. I dedicated significant effort to developing improved habits and routines that were in line with my goals. It's a continuous journey, yet it is essential for achieving success. Number 9. Leisure activities. Now, let's shift our focus to entertainment. Engaging in low-value entertainment, such as binge-watching television or aimlessly scrolling through social media, can significantly divert your focus from achieving your objectives. I previously dedicated significant time each week to pursuits that did not contribute meaningfully to my objectives or overall well-being. Eliminating these distractions enabled me to concentrate my time and resources on what was genuinely important: my personal and professional development. Number 10. Stability. In the pursuit of financial success, it is essential to recognize that you will encounter phases of volatility, impacting both your finances and your emotional well-being. Embracing the journey involves navigating fluctuations. Being open to adjustments and calculated risks is essential for progress. Throughout my journey, I encountered numerous instances of uncertainty, whether it was a business venture that didn't pan out or an unforeseen expense. However, each challenge served as a valuable lesson, ultimately guiding me closer to my objectives. Number 11. Revenue. One unexpected trade-off is the potential reduction of income, particularly in the short term. Channeling your income towards your objectives rather than indulging in personal luxuries can significantly expedite your journey to financial prosperity. There were moments when every dollar I earned was reinvested into my business or investments, all while I maintained a very tight personal budget. Postponing personal expenditures proved to be challenging, yet it yielded significant benefits over time. Number 12. Security. Discussing budgets naturally leads us to the topic of comfort, or more accurately, the absence of it. Embracing a frugal lifestyle during what is often referred to as the ramen phase of your financial journey involves prioritizing long-term benefits over immediate comforts. There were months when I relied on instant noodles to maximize my savings for investments or business expenses. Not glamorous, but a strategic choice. Number 13. Desire for acceptance. Another important consideration is the necessity of prioritizing your goals over the desire for universal approval. It's essential to concentrate on your objectives, irrespective of how others perceive them or you. It became clear to me that overly focusing on pleasing others often diverges from the path to significant achievements. At times, being assertive in the pursuit of those ambitions can actually result in greater success. Number 14. Confidence. Embracing humility and taking necessary actions to achieve your goals, even in the face of criticism, is a crucial aspect of your journey toward wealth accumulation. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the money habits that differentiate the rich from the poor. If you want to become rich, you must know the difference between rich and poor habits. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more financial tips and tricks.